Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Swati ma'am.
Tanak ma'am.
Good morning.
Still wait till 9 o'clock at least. It is still 8:57. We cannot move further. So don't send me the messages. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay. We will not scroll down till let others come. Everybody come. It is only 15 people are here today. So let everybody come. Then we shall start.
Which book, ma'am?
Which book we did? Yes, beta. Yesterday, which book we did? Which book we are continuing with?
Grammar. Ma'am means that you have underlined. We have to write that. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
May start writing, but I will not scroll down till others come. Okay. We shall wait for 3-4 minutes. Actually, it is 9:01, but at 9:05 we shall start. I want to show you some presentation regarding the punctuations also.
Ma'am?
That at 9:05 we shall start. Till there, only this much presentation will be there on the board.
Ma'am, what do we
And
have
then we
to
shall
do in
see.
this?
Ma'am, we can
Yes,
copy from
Rudra.
classroom.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
Mohit, you are not allowed to send all such things. Those are red underlines which Google has done it. Because Google doesn't recognize these spellings. It considers as it is a wrong spelling, but it is not a wrong spelling. Those are proper nouns. But
Okay,
Google
ma'am.
doesn't accept, so Google has done that red lines.
But ma'am, what we have to write?
You don't have to do any underline. You don't have
Yes.
to do any underline. That is Google's red line
Okay, ma'am. But what
for
we
which
have to
Google
write
doesn't
now?
consider. Okay.
What we have to write now?
Nothing. You just open page number 81, 82, 83. These are the
Okay.
answers of page number 81.
Ma'am,
So you
these
may
are,
start writing.
but ma'am, these are the questions in my book.
Punctuation marks, Farzan. The same sentences will be for the question and answer. You have to add punctuation marks. Hello, good morning.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Adding punctuation marks, question and answers will be the same. The only thing you have to punctuate the given sentence.
Ma'am, see hibiscus flower. Hati, ma'am.
And
Hibiscus flower, ma'am.
so superb. Vivan, come on, write down the adjective about these flowers in the chat box. Come on, give me the adjectives. Those who can see these flowers, please write down the adjectives. At least one adjective regarding this flower in the chat box. Come on, fast. Vivan, show your flowers to others again, so that we will be able to write down the adjectives. Others, Farzan, stop writing in the workbook. Riddhi, give me the adjectives fast. Yes, Vivan, colorful. Lamha, Farzan, come on, give me the adjectives. Beautiful. Dhairya, why using capital letter? Twisha, why using capital letter? Yes, lovely. Beautiful, okay. Attractive, marvelous, wonderful, cute. There are many adjectives. Come on, I want it fast. Red color. Parnika, you cannot say red color. You just say red. Beautiful, red. You cannot use flower. Flower is a noun. Fabulous, marvelous, orange, cute. Cutely? What is this cutely, Samriddhi? Sorry, it's wrong. It's not cutely. You cannot make it into the adverb. You cannot turn the adjective into adverb. And Parnika, don't use capital letter. Jahan Agarwal, your word is right, but don't use capital letter. Yes, lovely, colorful. Man Rajodia? Acha, this is Man. So expected any nonsense he types everything every time. So this answer also is a nonsense answer. Marvelous, fabulous. Kahan Jain spelling wrong. It is not gorgeous. It is gorgeous. R should come and not D. Attractive. Jishna Swami, you cannot make such sentence. I want only the adjectives. That's all. Glorious. Mast Dhairya.
Ma'am, I see Maya also.
Yes, Farzan, beautiful, colorful, attractive. Laksha, I said no, lovely. Correct it is. Khush, blue, B no, doesn't require capital. No B capital should be there. Array, I'm telling again and again, no capitals, and you are sending me in the capital letters. Okay. So now let us stop here. Attractive spelling wrong, Tvisha. Spelling wrong. Smell, no, Freya. Beautiful smell we cannot see. So it cannot be beautiful smell. Okay. Smell is something we feel. We cannot see that. So you cannot use beautiful smell. Beautiful is the word used to which we can see something. And small, Lama, and small, S and small. My goodness. All others are correct. Yes, Devyasha, now stop. Okay, now stop. Now here, I would like to present explanation of punctuation.
Migdad, mute your mic.
Ma'am, what are we doing? Because I joined it because of
Right now,
joined it
Nikki, you
late.
just see the presentation, nothing else. Right now, you just see the presentation. We have just started.
Ma'am, I can see from
Yes, ma'am, I
classroom and
understood.
do
Now
all.
stop sending messages. Huh?
Ma'am, I can see from classroom and start my work.
Mickey, beta, switch off your mic. Ayansh, you were asking
Yes,
me
ma'am.
something.
Yeah. Ma'am, I can see from classroom and do my work.
Yes, I don't mind at all.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have seen mushroom type flower also in today morning. When we show to somebody, it goes close like that. It's like mushroom type.
Okay, nice, Vivan, and thank you for showing such beautiful flowers and made our morning wonderful. Okay, now pay attention to the presentation.
Ma'am, I have read it this much. Yes, ma'am.
Read it. Shame on you and shame myself. Seriously, I'm telling you. A grade 4 child said read it. Not acceptable, Dhyan, not acceptable at all.
I have read the presentation till I can see.
Now, after each 30 seconds, I shall be changing the picture. Dhyan, why are you laughing? Am I showing any comedy show?
Ma'am, where we have to write this page number?
Yes, Farzan.
Page number.
Number. I am showing you the presentation of explanation of punctuation. What page number?
Okay.
This is just the explanation, Farzan. After every 30 seconds, I shall be scrolling it down. So pay proper attention, everybody.
Ma'am, what you are showing?
Punctuation marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Read it carefully. Have any doubt, you can of course ask me immediately. Important rule that we cannot use comma before and.
Yes, ma'am. Many people do that. They do that like German, comma, and Tamil. They do like this. I know.
That is a wrong thing. This is what exactly we have to learn while learning English language.
I also said that how can it be possible? They give also a comma and then also an and. How can it possible? They are separating. And is also separating two things, and comma is also separating these two things. Why both?
Ma'am,
You are perfectly all right. Yes, Ekansh?
we have to write it in notebook because I have joined now.
No, darling. No. You are not supposed to write down. You are just have to pay attention and read it carefully. I have sent this everything in the classroom. You don't have to write down. If you want, you can take a print of it.
And the people who do comma and they are double separating the words. Double separating.
Yes, you are correct.
That's what I said. Migdad.
Okay.
Then the exclamation mark, it is marked at the end of a dramatic statement. So in the example, the exclamation mark is after one word. So how can you write end of the dramatic statement?
End of the dramatic statement, or if we have not used any exclamation word for that, oh, alas, that way, if we have not used any exclamation word, then if we have said only, what a beautiful scene, then at the end of that sentence, exclamation mark will come.
Ma'am, but if we use a word for a sentence, so in a dramatic sentence, so we have to put a exclamation mark, right?
Swati ma'am, it's not like that, ma'am, that in dramatic sentence only, because it can be like that also, that it's not dramatic, means it's not funny, but it's beautiful, very nice, we feel good.
Expressing our feelings, Deru, when we are expressing our feelings, that means it is dramatic. Dramatic means we are, exaggerating something, expressions on a larger scale. That time we can, wow, oh, ouch, alas. These are all dramatic sentences. So what dramatic sentences mean? When we are expressing ourselves. Okay. When I say my name is Dhairya Shah, this is not at all a dramatic. But when I say, oh wow, Dhairya, what a beautiful name, that is called dramatic. Do you understand? When I'm expressing my feelings, my expressions are attached with the sentences, those are dramatic. Mickey, am I right? If yes, then please switch off your mic.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yes.
Yes, Vaidi, you are
Rudra
not supposed
Master,
to write down
don't
anything.
play. Just pay attention.
Ma'am, we have to write.
No, we don't have to write down anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Like Nasiruddin said, this. So like that, then quotation marks are used. This is
When somebody is saying, that is quoting. Quota, quote. Quote, quote means to say something. Just read it properly, beta.
ma'am, like you were taking punctuation dictation, so every time like Nasiruddin said, comma. No, not at all. This was not my aim. This was Azad's aim. That quotation marks is used.
Man,
I think due to some internet issues, ma'am maybe will rejoin. Huh? Wait.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kahan. Wait. Vedi, turn off your camera and eat. Students, if ma'am's presentation has gone, but she has already sent you in the classroom, na? You just read from there also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am has joined again. Yes. Ma'am, we can't hear you. Yes.
Yeah. I seriously don't understand what this net makes a miracle, huh, sometimes. Seriously. Why suddenly I was out of this thing?
Yes. Okay, no problem.
Okay, so now
Your presentation has gone, ma'am. You just.
yes. Now again I'm starting my presentation.
Ma'am, when the small things happen, big things can happen. Like if internet is gone, the whole class is.
Speak a little louder, Ayush.
Ma'am, like small things happen and big things can happen out of it. Like just your internet was gone and the whole class was interrupted.
Seriously. The smaller things can interrupt the whole scenario.
Ma'am, Kahan wants to ask something. You just ask Kahan.
No, ma'am, I want to not ask anything.
Excuse me, Swati, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, I'm copying from the classroom. Is it okay?
You to copy anything, huh? I don't want you to write down anything. This everything is sent. You may take a copy or you may just copy and paste somewhere in your desktop for your reference. That's all. I don't want you to write down anything. You are not supposed to write down anything. Okay. So whether it is from classroom, from presentation, anyway, but just pay attention, look at it, understand it. If you have any doubt, ask. Carefully where the semicolon is given. Semicolon. It is semicolon. When it is where it is used, how it is used, pay proper attention. When a part of sentence.
Ma'am means there are two kind of sentences, but not like two kind of sentences. It's like
It is not used as a conjunction. It is not used as a conjunction. Okay.
yeah.
Okay,
It's
Meet.
like
Very good, Meet.
It's like do this or this will happen. It's like that thing.
Ma'am, but semicolon, we can't use it in talking. We only can use it in writing because
So we have to take a
if we
small
talk,
pause over there. A short pause over there.
okay.
And Vivan, you are correct. These are semicolon.
Then the
Semicolon.
comma
Semicolon.
and the semicolon will be same, right? because in both we have to take a pause. They are same,
Short
but
and
different
shortest.
names and different uses.
Yes. And now I have sent everything in the classroom. You may go through that. I do not want you to write down anything. But dear friends, I have a request that grammar worksheet to be solved by you. I have of course sent you the answer sheet in the classroom again. So I want you to please go through that.
And which grammar?
Okay. And so shall we start solving the grammar textbook now?
Yes, ma'am.
And which page?
Ma'am, which page?
Please. Page number 81. Page number 81.
Migdad, microphone off, bacha.
The chat which I have sent.
And we are writing.
Writing correct beta, but 15, 16 and 17 are the worksheets. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, scroll up.
Students, you are requested to just switch on your cameras, please. Anya, Mittal.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
sentence which I have written, I have already scrolled up, beta. It is second sentence now. Have understood everybody what is punctuation and what we have seen different slides
Yes,
today.
ma'am.
Now you will not make any mistakes while writing the sentences. Please switch on your camera, Vivan Patel.
Ma'am, my camera is on. I am writing from classroom. That's why my camera,
Okay, darling.
my
Okay.
camera goes on.
This, if you have any doubt, immediately ask me. I have kept the chat box also open for you.
Rudra Master, what is going on? Why are you laughing? Yes, Rudra Master.
Rudra, finished writing, beta? Master Rudra? Then you may start
Yes,
solving 15, 16, 17 worksheets which we had already done. Complete your workbook then. Why wasting time? I have already sent the answer sheets also and we had discussed about it.
Scroll down.
Yes, who is calling me, beta? Please continue. Lama?
And scroll down. Scroll down.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was telling that I am also copying from the classroom. But ma'am, I have a doubt in the page in the page 82, question number C. In the first one, that please the sentence is that please give me that book, said Rihanna. So ma'am, in the please one, in the please after the book, we have to put in semicolon, right?
No. Please is the word which is requesting.
No, ma'am. After book, after that book, it will come a semicolon, right?
No.
It's not proper that.
This is not the complete sentence. Please give me that book. You may put a full stop or a comma. Semicolon will not come because
Ma'am,
after
can you
that.
scroll up?
Yeah,
No, I have
ma'am.
not put semicolon. It is a comma. After the semicolon, that should there
I
should
was
be a
thinking
part
that
of
there are
sentence.
two commas. That's why I think that would.
Inverted comma. Upper side it is single inverted comma, and below it is a comma.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Take it up. Yeah,
Mickey, how many times we have to request you to switch off your mic if not needed? Are you not at your place, Mickey?
Ma'am, now I understood.
Okay, beta.
That one is that question mark of Ending the sentence and one
Not
is the
at your
comma.
place. Mr. Motiwala,
Ma'am, he's still, I think, due to some network issues. Huh? He's just still. Huh.
Ma'am, can you scroll down, please?
could see your chats, beta. I'm scrolling down.
Ma'am, just ask Vedi what she wants to ask, because she's so many times sending different kinds of messages sent in the classroom. I don't understand why she's writing this.
Ma'am, I am saying, can you send in classroom?
Beta. And this I have announced also 3 to 4 times that it is already sent in the classroom. Everything is sent in the classroom, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? See to it that you have to copy and complete your workbook. Don't forget that, huh?
Ma'am, can we leave now? Those who have done this.
Only reading students will be there. Ready? Today it is your turn, beta. Don't go. All others.
Bye, ma'am.
After
Bye,
finishing,
ma'am.
beta, but it is just 8:39 yet. One more minute is left. So you complete and then go.
Ma'am, I have written all from classroom. Bye, ma'am.
Okay. And I
Bye,
have
ma'am.
sent
Bye,
everything
ma'am.
in the classroom.
Have a good day.
I have sent all explanation slides also I have sent. I have sent
Ma'am,
worksheet 15, 16, 17.
Ma'am.
I have sent this exercises in grammar workbook. Everything I
Bye,
have sent.
ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Ma'am,
Don't disturb
why
others.
my not turn is
Bye,
changed
ma'am.
for reading?
Rahil, your name is not there. Then today you may wait.
Ma'am, I
Bye,
am
ma'am.
Kahan.
Sorry, Kahan.
Please, Kahan.
Kahan, you may wait today. Okay. Yes, Kanak.
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, beta. I want
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi, Iya, Twisha, Vaidi, Vansh, Vihan, Vivan. Yes.
Okay, ma'am, I am leaving. Huh? Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very
Bye.
much, ma'am.
Bye. Huh.
Now give me 2 minutes. I shall be presenting something. Okay, stories. Remember, you have to just enjoy the reading stories, and you will not read aloud. But yes, while reading the story, if you have any doubt, immediately ask me. We are enjoying reading the stories. Okay, so I have selected very simple stories, but you will be asking me the doubts, and we will not take any read aloud today.
Okay, ma'am. Only enjoying story, ma'am.
Yes.